The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, has suspended the implementation of Oplan Katok by the Philippine National Police during the election period. COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia mentioned that they plan to request the PNP to carry out the operation only after the election period. The suspension is due to concerns that Oplan Katok could be used for political purposes, especially in remote areas, which might create fear among people, particularly those not aligned with certain politicians. COMELEC emphasized the importance of ensuring the safety of Filipinos without resorting to such measures during the election period.
Yun po ang kadahilanan kung bakit ang COMELEC ay nagde-deputize ng mga agencies ng pamahalaan. Sabi ko nga, sana po, mapag-aralan lang nila na yun ang isang kapangyarihan na binigay sa COMELEC na napaka-plenary, almost absolute, napakalawak, wala halos restrictions or limitasyon. Ayaw po natin gamitin dahil ang kapangyarihan yun para i-substitute ang aming judgment